Welcome back. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by CRM systems that are expensive, bloated, and packed with features you never use, you're not alone. Hubspot is brilliant, but we needed something faster and truly tailored to our sales process. So we built our own as part of the Everything app using Claude code. This Everything app is a unified platform where every tool you need works seamlessly together. In just 1 hour, we created a custom CRM that does exactly what we want. No fluff, no clutter, and complete AI integration with our own company knowledge base. So here's how we did it. Don't worry, as with everything in the Everything app, we have added the exact vibe coding instructions you need to build it. So firstly, this is a CRM that reflects our sales funnel. Forget generic pipelines, you can customize these with Claude code. We defined our exact deal stages within our funnel from initial lead to close sale, so the system fits our workflow perfectly. The funnel is initiated automatically by examining meeting notes, generated by AI, and generating a new lead when a meeting response is required. Contact management is now made easy, focused on what we need. Our contact records show only what matters: conversion history, next action, and essential details. No distractions or wasted clicks. Our AI knowledge assists with sales communication. Here's where the AI brain now comes into play. Our custom intelligence engine analyzes each opportunity and suggests next steps. Whether it's a follow-up email, a call, or sending a proposal, it even drafts personalized emails for you, using your templates and real company data. And it automates follow-ups, which are controlled through AI. Never let a lead slip through the cracks. Every registration on our website is flagged on the email manager so that tailored responses, which takes into account who the client is and what they are looking for, are created. These are then sent via personalized email. The result is zero fluff, just a revenue engine that fits how you sell, fully integrated within the Everything app, and powered by AI, working quietly in the background to make every step smoother and smarter. Now, here's something crucial. This entire CRM is built on top of the AI brain we created in the previous video. You must build your company's AI knowledge base first, otherwise the CRM won't have the intelligence to suggest actions, draft emails, or learn from your data. Once your AI brain is up and running, use Claude code to generate the back-end logic and user interface for your CRM, using the prompts in the notes on this video. Deploy everything using Docker, no complicated installs or compatibility headaches. All of this comes together in the Everything app, so your CRM isn't an isolated tool, it's part of a connected ecosystem, where sales, support, projects and more share the same data and business intelligence. So if you're stuck in a legacy CRM, want your system to adapt to your processes, not the other way around, this is your blueprint. And remember, every module connects with your custom AI knowledge base, so every decision is backed by your company's experience and data. Subscribe for more vibe coding tutorials as we go on to build each core business system inside the Everything app. Or reach out if you want our experts to craft your perfect CRM and more from scratch. Many thanks. Thanks for watching, and now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
My gosh! I opened this Everything app and it immediately booked my dentist, planned my week, and somehow remembered my nephew's birthday. At this point, I'm just looking for the button that stops giant space rocks. Seriously, I'm not joking about those space rocks.